Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the remote control of the Mitsubishi Heavy Industries inverter type air conditioner. First, we insert the batteries into the remote control. After that, we observe that the clock is flashing on the screen. For example, it is 11 o'clock now. We use the temperature buttons to set the clock. And we confirm by pressing the on-off button. This is on-off button of the air conditioner. With its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We can change the mode of the air conditioner with the mode button. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, heating, drying, fan, and auto. Since the vast majority of the users use the air conditioner for cooling purposes, we will explain this mode first. We press the mode button, and when the cursor stops in front of the snowflake, the air conditioner is considered to have switched to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. Temperatures below 22 degrees Celsius can sometimes cause colds. When we press the mode button again, we switch to heating mode. In heating mode, we set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. In order for our air conditioner to work efficiently in heating mode, it is recommended to set the fan speed to auto speed mode. In this case, the fan speed of the air conditioner will be selected by the microprocessor. For this reason, the evaporator will only be covered with snow when it approaches 0 degrees Celsius. We use the fan speed button to switch to auto speed mode. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: auto, high, medium, low. Each time the fan speed is pressed, the next fan speed is selected. When the cursor stops on the word auto, the auto speed will be selected. When you press the mode button again, we switch to dry mode. This mode is designed to reduce the humidity in the room. We press the mode button again and switch to fan mode. In this case, the air conditioner will work as a regular fan. When you press the mode button again, we switch to the auto mode of the air conditioner. In this mode, the air conditioner always tries to maintain the temperature at the same level in the given mode. In this mode, we see the number 0 on the screen. This means that 24 degrees Celsius has been selected as the temperature. In auto mode, if the air temperature in the room rises above 24 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner will work in cooling mode, and if it falls below, it will work in heating mode. We can change the temperature setting of this mode with the help of the temperature button. For example, if we want to set 25 degrees Celsius in auto mode, then we press the temperature up button, and in this case, +1 will appear on the screen. When we want to set 23 degrees Celsius, we press the temperature button and -1 appears on the screen. Now we press the mode button and return to the cooling mode. This remote control also has other interesting functions. For example, sometimes when the weather is very hot, We can press the high power button when we want the air conditioner to cool our room quickly. Once this button is pressed, the air conditioner will increase the fan speed to maximum, and after working in this mode for 15 minutes, it will return to the previous fan mode. When we want the air conditioner to save energy, we need to press the same button once more. Echo. If you want the air conditioner to consume less energy, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. When this button is pressed again, the air conditioner switches to the normal operating mode. Each time the airflow button of the air conditioner is pressed, the blind stops in a certain direction, and this is easily visible on the screen. When this symbol appears, the blinds stop moving. The air conditioner sleep mode is activated by pressing this button. When the sleep button is pressed, this symbol appears on the top of the screen. In sleep mode, the air conditioner will turn off when the set time expires. For example, if we set the sleep timer to 4 hours, then the air conditioner will turn off after 4 hours of the operation in the given mode. To exit this mode, press the cancel button. Like every air conditioner, this air conditioner also has a timer mode. Sometimes it happens that we want the air conditioner to turn on at a specific time. For example, we will return from work at 18:00 and we want the air conditioner to cool our house until we arrive. In this case, we press the timer on button and set the timer to 17:00 with the help of the temperature buttons, and press the timer on button to confirm. Our air conditioner will turn on at 5 p.m. and will cool our house until we return home. To exit this mode, you need to press the cancel button. And if we want the air conditioner to turn off at a certain time, then we use the timer off button. For example, we want our air conditioner to turn off at 5 in the morning, AM 5. To exit this mode, you need to press the cancel button. There is another interesting function here. This is the self-cleaning mode. To activate this function, this button must be pressed with the tip of the pen. When the button is pressed, this symbol and 2 hours appear on the screen. This operation is performed for 2 hours, and after this time, the air conditioner is turned off. This mode is activated in cooling, auto, and dry modes. To exit this mode, we need to press the same button again. The ACL is used to reset the air conditioner remote control. When the button is pressed, the air conditioner's clock settings are also deleted. Therefore, the clock needs to be reset. For example, it is 11 and 10. And we press the on-off button to confirm. Thank you for following us until the end.